Today we'll explore Python lists and tuples, how to store, access and manage multiple items efficiently, and understand the difference between mutable and immutable collection. So come, let's get started. So we are learning Python for AI and this is day 5, list and tuples. So why is this matters? List and tuples stores multiple items in one variable. Lists are mutable, which means it can change. Tuples are immutable, it cannot change. And these are used heavily in AI for datasets, feature vectors, labels and more. A quick summary: dynamic datasets and pre-processing, it is mutable, which can change the data. Tuples are fixed constant coordinates and it is immutable, which you can't change the data. Let's take a look at the coding demo. And remember, after this I will be giving you some practice assignment and I hope you honestly do it so that you can rock in Python as well as in the AI. First thing, creating a list. How do we create a list? These are the possibilities of creating a list. You see this? A comma separated value inside a square bracket makes a list. We assign this to a variable. You can also have numbers, comma separated, that becomes a list. We can also have mix and match, like a boolean, string and a number. That's also possible. These three are called creating a list. This is how you create a list. Now, how do you access the elements? Like this. 0 is nothing but starting index. And what is this? Is it confusing? Let's take a look at this example that we saw in the shorts. Okay, if this is a string, this is how it has been organized. It starts with the 0 index and goes all the way through till the end of the number, and then it also assigns in a reverse order. So it starts with -1 all the way through, it comes down. So now you know, if you say -1, it is going to be an n in this letter. However, we are referring to fruits, which means 1, 2, 3. So 0, 1, 2. Similarly, -1, -2, -3. You're looking for -1, so answer is cherry. Okay. Now slicing. How do you do slicing? Slicing, again, we just saw, right? Start and end. There are some advanced concept called step, which is like this. So we will take a look at this one first. Okay, so start and end, which means in this number, starting is 0, 1. Take from here and it is 4, right? So which means 4 minus 1, 3. So it takes 4 items from the starting index. Think it like that, okay? So starting index is 1, 0, 1. So it's take 4 items, 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's see how this works, right? This is start, this is end. Always end -1 is where it stops. So it starts with 1, which means 0, 1. Index is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So the index should be 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. It will stop here. Okay, we're going to debug this and find out. And next is some common methods for list. For example, you can append an item to the list called append method. You can remove an item from the list, which is banana, which is here. It's going to remove it. We don't need to specify where the banana is located. It is so efficient to remove it by itself. We can also insert something, but we can also insert at where you want to insert. We are saying at the location 1 you insert, which means here 0, 1. So before banana, mango will be inserted here. Pop means remove the last item. These are the inbuilt methods. And then finally, if you print this, you will know what it is. Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's take a look at this demo. I'm going to run this. Okay, we have hit the breakpoint. We assigned all of these things are assignment. We are taking it. You can see it's getting printed here. -1, cherry, I explained you. And here, let's see, 2, 3, 4. Because 4 minus 1 is where we need to stop third index. Index 3 is here, 0, 1, 2, 3. So starting location is 1, starts from here, ends here. That's why it is 2, 3, 4. It is very important to understand how the slicing and indexing works. Now we are appending orange, which means The fourth item is appended. We removed the banana. We inserted the mango just before the banana, or in other words, at the first location. And we removed again the last one. Okay, so basically what happened? We added something orange, so orange is again removed because the last one is removed. Let's execute this and let's see apple, mango, cherry, because the orange that was appended was removed from the pop. Okay, great. Now we go into tuples. Tuples are something which cannot be changed, like it's immutable. How do you assign it? We assign with the parenthesis like this. Okay, so we assign something, and then we can also assign like this. Comma is very important. If you want to skip the second one, comma is important. Okay, for a single item, because tuples are always like this. So the second item is not there, you need to have a comma here. Now after this, what happens? Let's print and see. We can call this 0, which will be, this will be displayed, -1, again same logic, right? Reverse order, it will display this. We will take a look at this. Now here's the important thing that you need to understand. You can't do this. Tuples are immutable, which means you can't assign 15 to this location. That's an error, which we will see. Now let's take an example of how AI will look like this. Okay, so let's say we have a variable with a list which is a score, and we are saying sum is an inbuilt method, a function. We're saying sum of this, it will add everything by length of score. Length means it will count number of items, so length is 4, so sums everything by 4 will become an average. Great, right? So that's how this looks. This is how the tuple looks. So what we do is we will quickly put this into tuples here, and then I'm going to run one more time. Let's skip this, and we are on the tuples. I'm going to hover this. You see this? We are signing, we are printing all of these things. This is going to be an error. See, it stopped because this is not correct. Okay, but if you execute further like this, I'm going to execute it one more time and skip all the way through 28 lines. Okay, so I'm going to execute now. You can see we skip this, we assign this average. See, it's that easy. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and for this video practice, if you go to worksheet of 5 days, these are the tasks for you guys. So based on what you have learned, please be honest and try to write by yourself, and don't worry if you don't know. I'm going to take a separate video or even give the code answer in the repository itself. Please refer that as the last step to verify your results. Alright, so if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that like button and the bell icon, and I will see you in the next video, which is day 6 of Python. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Happy coding!